Scene script. Have you ever wondered how big data is changing the face of businesses today? In this digital age, big data is the new gold. It's a vast ocean of information, so complex and massive that traditional data processing tools can't handle it. But with the right tools and know-how, companies are harnessing its power to innovate and grow. Big data provides valuable insights into customer behavior and market trends. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals what customers want, even before they know it themselves. Companies that understand this are using big data to make strategic decisions that set them apart from the competition. They're creating new products, improving customer service, and optimizing their operations. They're not just surviving in today's competitive marketplace, they're thriving. The power of big data is truly transformative. It's not just about collecting information, it's about using that information to drive innovation and growth. Let's delve into some real-life examples of companies that have successfully used big data to their advantage. Amazon, a global e-commerce giant, has been at the forefront of using big data. This titan of trade harnesses the power of vast data sets to create a highly personalized shopping experience. Every product recommendation you see when you log onto their website? That's big data at work, analyzing your shopping habits, preferences, and browsing history. But they don't stop there. Amazon uses big data to predict customer behavior, foreseeing what you might want before you even realize you want it. They analyze trends, spot patterns, and make calculated predictions to stay ahead of the curve and keep their customers satisfied. And let's not forget logistics and supply chain management. Amazon's impressive delivery times? Thank big data for that. They use it to streamline their supply chain, minimize delays, and ensure that your package arrives right on time, every time. So, big data has played a pivotal role in Amazon's success story. Next, let's talk about Netflix, a leading player in the entertainment industry. Netflix has become a titan, not just on the strength of its vast library, but due to its innovative use of big data. Netflix doesn't just stream your favorite shows and movies, it collects and analyzes data to understand what you want to watch before you even know it. By examining your viewing habits, the time you spend on certain genres, and the ratings you give, Netflix tailors a unique user experience just for you. But that's not all. Netflix also uses this treasure trove of data to create its own content. Ever wondered how Netflix's original series often feel like they were made just for you? That's big data at work. It helps Netflix understand viewer preferences at a granular level, creating content that resonates with its audience. This smart use of big data has been pivotal in retaining customers and growing Netflix's subscriber base. Clearly, Netflix has harnessed the power of big data to revolutionize entertainment. So, what can we take away from these case studies? Well, the first key takeaway is the sheer importance of big data in business. It's no longer just a buzzword. Big data has become a fundamental cornerstone for any successful business strategy. It allows companies to understand their customers on a much deeper level by analyzing their behavior, their preferences, their needs and wants. This information is invaluable, as it enables businesses to make data-driven decisions, reducing uncertainty and risk. Our second key point is how Amazon and Netflix have leveraged big data to drive their growth and innovation. Amazon, for instance, has used big data to enhance its recommendation system, making it more accurate and personalized. This has not only improved the customer experience, but it has also increased sales and customer retention. Similarly, Netflix has used big data to revolutionize the way they produce and recommend content. By analyzing viewing patterns and preferences, Netflix is able to create popular shows and films that cater to the tastes of their diverse audience. It's a strategy that has certainly paid off, as Netflix now boasts over 200 million subscribers worldwide. Our third key point is the potential of big data for other businesses. While Amazon and Netflix are giants in their respective fields, the principles they've employed can be applied to businesses of all sizes and sectors. Whether it's a small startup or a multinational corporation, harnessing the power of big data can lead to significant growth and innovation. Finally, let's take a brief look at the future of big data in business. As technology continues to evolve, the amount of data we generate will only increase. This means businesses will have even more information at their disposal, allowing for greater insights and more informed decision-making. The potential here is immense, and it's an exciting prospect for any business looking to stay competitive in the digital age. As we've seen, the power of big data can be a game changer for businesses, driving innovation, growth, and success in today's data-driven world.